Alright, so hello guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a protein wrap consisting of broccoli, turkey or ham, your choice, cheese, onions, spinach, and the protein wrap. And egg whites, of course. So let's get started. So what you're going to need, you're going to need approximately half a cup of broccoli. I already pre-chopped it up. Half a cup of broccoli, half a cup of spinach. I used half of an onion and then two slices of the ham or turkey of your choice. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to put on your cooktop on medium. Okay, and I know I do not have any grapeseed oil or the cooking spray, but I do not use this. I'm just using it because I don't have it out, here. I gotta go to the store and buy some. Rip. But if you're gonna use oil, I highly recommend buying grapeseed oil or the non-stick sticking spray, the spray one. So invest in that. I need to invest in that. This is the worst type of oil you could use. The worst one you could use is canola. This is like the second. But yeah, please try to stay clear away from these. I'm just hungry. I'm just starving. Alright, don't judge me. Alright, so we're gonna do. Just gonna put a little bit of this. If you're gonna have to use some, use a little bit, like least as possible. I just don't want my pot sticking. And I'm just gonna have it absorb, spread around. Alright. So what you're gonna do first is you're just gonna put your onions and just pour it up on there. Just get everything. And I wash my hands prior to this, so yeah, y'all should wash your hands just in case, the Rona. Y'all don't want to be eating that. And germs, So you're just gonna have it here cooking till it starts browning, and you're just gonna know, like you're just gonna smell grilled onions. And I love grilled onions. Like, to be honest, I would add extra. Okay. And once it starts browning, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the spinach and the broccoli. So I recommend just putting the broccoli in first. Put all that in there. And then the spinach. Okay. And you're going to see like the spinach is going to start shrinking when it's burned. It's normal. Completely normal. So just make sure all of it's getting cooked and just really spread it around and have fun with it. Get all this junk out. Y'all didn't know I played basketball back in the day. Now y'all know. So, just, and then, yeah. I'm going to bring it close so y'all can see. So this is what it should look like. That's how you know you're doing a good job, alright? When the broccoli starts actually greening out, because before it was yellow. So now you're just going to start. And when the broccoli starts greening out, that's when you're going to start putting in the ham or the turkey. I'm using a turkey breast, and it has approximately 25 calories for the two slices, so that's really good. Also, if you get hungry, on a snack, I recommend eating that, turkey or ham. So you're just going to put it up on there. Okay. And then just really mix it around. I'm going to get the egg whites. And I already have my tablespoon. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of this. Or, up to your choice. If you're making like a bigger batch, like let's say you put a lot of greens, I would put more than 3 tablespoons. Just because, so you can get it all in there, down a little bit. And 3 tablespoons, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 tablespoons. And you're going to add some salt and some pepper, black pepper. And I'm actually going to add some on here because I like my turkey seasoned with black pepper. Okay, and then it's up to you. I just like it. I think like the more seasoning you add, the more it brings out the flavor. I'm going to give it a little minute. I'm going to start up on here for the wrap. I'm going to put it on medium real quick. Okay, and these, look, flat out. Look, 90 calories and it has 13 grams of whole grain and 7 grams of protein. You're gonna get full on this. I promise you. Put it on me. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah, now you just, when the steam cooks up, that's how you know it's time for the egg. You can either use egg or egg whites, but I use egg whites because less calorie content. Of course, eggs are more yummier and they have more protein and all that. But for me, like I said, I'm on a calorie restricted diet. I do 1,500 to 2,000 calories. So I just try to be calorie conscious. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna pour it all in the middle right there, and then that's when you just start stirring it. Flip the wrap, flip, gonna go ahead and turn it on low. Get on here. Okay, turn it low up. Okay, at this time you're just gonna start. If you like adding cheese, I like adding cheese to my wrap. I love cheese. Fat people love cheese. I love cheese. I just be adding extra. But you know, just add to taste. Add to taste. I recommend using 2 tablespoons of cheese. Just for being calorie conscious. Think about that. I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna transfer here this to the plate. This is what it should look like. And you know you're doing a good job when you start smelling it. Like the aroma just hits you. Like I like adding a big portion for my wraps, but it's up to you. I just like making them fat and thick. So then here's a wrap, and what you're gonna do, you're just gonna finish it like fold it like a burrito. So the layers like that, and then you just fold it and you just flip it and approximately it was 205 calories, but it's really good, really delicious. It's a good energy booster. Has a lot of protein because like you're getting protein from the wrap, you're also getting protein from the egg, and you know all that. This is really, really good, and you're getting like your nutrients that you need from the broccoli, spinach, and onion. It's just really good. Something to fill you up. So like if y'all love eating heavy breakfasts, I recommend you making this or something for lunch or dinner. It's just easy to make. Y'all seen, you know, it's better if you food prep. Like if you already have your vegetables already cut and you put them in baggies. That's what I usually do. If you just have them in food prep, and then like let's say you wake up in the morning and you just want to make it real quick, just that's it. That's how you do it. 205 calories for the broccoli egg white protein wrap. So yeah, if y'all want any more, give me some ideas. What do y'all want to see? Just comment down, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and share. Bye and enjoy.